Alright, so let's go to the next step, which is to add links and content to your sidebar. So, how you do this is by going in your widget area, which can be found in Appearance and then Widget. Once you get there, you'll see that there's a lot of available widget, but on the right, this is where you're going to put a different option to your sidebar. So the first thing I would suggest you to add is categories, and how you add this is by clicking and just drag and drop into the sidebar. Okay, you have also the option of search, which is a great way for you to find posts that maybe you posted months ago and you don't remember in which categories you've put it in, and also recent post, because it's going to help the search engine to crawl in and find your content and rank your articles and blog post. But really, what I want to show you in this video is how to add video testimonial and banner. So for example, if you want to promote an app, or if you want to promote your primary business, whatever it may be, this is going to be done with the text. So it's going to be arbitrary text or HTML. So you take this and you drag it there. And if, for example, you want to add a banner, I'm not going to go into the details of adding HTML. This is not an HTML class. You can find all the information on Google. Google is your best friend to find anything you want. And I'm not an HTML pro. I can't even write it. I just copy and paste from whatever my search are. So that's what I suggest to you. But it's always good to know how to add video testimonial. So I'm going to show you, for example, here I have a video of the Oscar, and you press the option button and you go down, and all you got to do is copy embedded HTML. You take this, you go back, and in your text area, all you got to do is paste. This is going to give you the HTML code in order to have a video. There's a few things you got to change because this sidebar has a limited width, and you don't want to put a big video in a small sidebar. So how you do this is by first deleting the height and going to the width and putting 100%. So what that's going to do, it's going to optimize the frame so that the video doesn't take more than 100%, and the height is going to be automatically optimized for this for the sidebar. So once you're done, you just click save. And if, for example, you want to add an image banner, you're going to open another text, or you can just put it in the same text. And I'm going to take an example of something I already done here. I'm going to modify it a little bit, and that's all been copy and pasted from my research on Google. Okay, so you can do the same. I'm going to delete a few things so you don't get too confused, even though that could be a little confusing the first time we see code. So all right, so it's going to be href, the link that you want this image to bring you to, and it's going to be between quotation. Okay, and you can pause this video, and if it's on high definition, you'll be able to see what I'm showing you right now, and full screen also. And then you're going to open the brackets, and you're going to click. I'm going to put this here: image source equals, and quotation. Let's say you find a great picture. You take this and you copy the URL of the image. You copy that, and you put this right here. Oh, that doesn't make a lot of sense, eh? So that's what happened when we try to take things from Google. What you got to do, actually, that's one of my mistakes. I thought I could shortcut, but what you got to do is to click on the image and make sure it's not copyrighted image. You know, if it could be your own image, or you know that you have the right to use it, it's always wise. So let's say we'll see the original image and copy there, and then go back and put it between quotation. Okay? So make sure your source is between quotation, and that you put the width at 100%, and then you close the A. So I hope I didn't confuse you too much. If you want to copy and paste the little model, or you can go look on the on Google for HTML. You can do a research on how to turn an image into a link HTML code, and somebody's going to walk you through the process. Okay? So let's with that being said, let's move on to the next video.